Hello guys, this is Sami from jvscode.net. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to look at some questions that we might encounter during interview coding exercise. Most times in interview, the interviewer might want to ask you some questions to test how fast and how well you can give quick solutions to some given problems. So we are going to look at palindromic numbers. A palindrome number is a number in such a way that the reverse of that number is the same as the original number. For example, on the screen, we have here 1 to 1 is a palindromic number, which means the reverse of this number is the same thing. And all these ones here are examples of palindromic numbers. So quickly, let's go into our IDE and see how we can write a piece of code to print out all palindrome numbers from a given set of numbers. So right here, I've have my IDE opened. We're going to be using IntelliJ for this little exercise. So here I've created a project called Code Challenges, and I'm just going to right click on this package and create a new class, and I'm going to give the name of this class as palindromic number. Then just click enter. And in here, we're going to have our main class, our main methods. So by doing this, and we have this, and we're going to create a method, a static method to do this for us. We are making it static because we're going to be using it inside the main method. So we're going to give this as the name of this method is palindrome, and it's going to have an argument of type int called number, and there we go. Here is our method, and we are going to declare a couple of variables that we hold different piece of our program. So here I'm going to have the first one here. I'm going to have int remainder. Just initialize this to 0. I'm going to have int reversed. I'm going to do this to 0 too. Just initialize it to 0. And I'm going to have int a temp number, int temp. And this one, I'm going to set this to the number. So which means when this number, when we provide a number to this method, so the number is going to be stored in a temporary variable. So we're just going to we are going to check to make sure the number is not 0, but it can be negative, but it shouldn't be 0. So here we're going to have a while. We're going to make use of a while loop to get this done. So while number not equal 0. So if the number is not 0, so we're going to find the remainder of this number. So we're going to have remainder equals equals number modulus 10. So we're going to get the remainder, and so after doing this, then we're going to find the reverse of this number. So we'll have reversed equals reversed. Oh, let's make it that noise. Equals reverse times 10 plus remainder. Yeah. So here we are going to set precedency to this. We're going to give the precedency, and so having done this, we are going to have number divide equals 10 here, and so we are going to check. So if temp is equal reversed, So if temp number is equal to reverse number, if the original given number is equal to reverse number, then we're going to print out this. Press something. So we're going to say the remainder, just to make it clear, the remainder of plus temp, the remainder of temp plus is plus remainder. We're going to get the remainder here, and we're going to sys out again another one. Oh, sorry. We're going to get the reverse. So the reverse of temp. The reverse of temp plus again is, so we're going to have this plus reversed, right? Then we are going to print again sys out. So we're going to have temp plus this is a palindrome. Okay, then else we're going to say it's not a palindrome. So we're just going to copy this block of code, basically the same thing. We're going to copy this and we just copy and paste here, but we're going to change this. It's not a palindrome. So yeah, that's it. So let's quickly test this in our main method. So we call is palindrome, right? So we're going to pass some code, some numbers. So we have 1 to 1, and I'm just going to duplicate this a couple of times. 1 2 3 4. So here we're going to have 1 1 2 2 1, and we're going to have 1 1 2 1, and we're going to have 1 3 3. So we're going to have 1 2 1 2 3 3 2 1. This should be palindrome. This one should be palindrome, but this one is not a palindrome. This one is a palindrome. This one is not palindrome. So let's run this. So let's run this application and see what we got. So I'm going to run this. Let's check the output. Oh, this one is clumsy. Let's give a little space. Okay, let's break this down. So let's break it down. And also we are going to get the original given number. So we're going to sys out the given number. We're going to sys out the given number. So the given number is plus number, right? So which means this one is not going to be here. Let's put this here. So let's break it down from here. So we are going to run this again. So let's run it again. Okay, so here we have the given number is 0. Really? Sorry, the given number is not 0. Okay, here is going to be temp, right? Temp. So let's quickly go back and run it again. So here we have the given number is this, the remainder of this is 1, and the reverse of this is this, and this one is a palindrome. This one also is a palindrome, right? But this one here is not a palindrome. So the given number is 1 1 2 1, the remainder of this is 1, but the reverse of 1 1 2 1 is 1 2 1 1. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 is not a palindrome. It's correct, right? So we can see how we can write a piece of code to solve this little puzzle. So thank you guys for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel to help me grow this channel, please, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another video. Thank you, and goodbye.